Been a long time coming, it's the come up. Been a long damn time, it's the come up. Yeah.
Okay.
Go.
Okay. Okay.
Oh,
Okay.
You want the next one?
Okay. Tusha, he think he grown. He think he's grown. Say the toast, Mom.
Toast to you coming back.
Ah, love
That's
you.
a graduation.
Graduation.
To
And to Daddy's birthday that passed, and the prom that passed, and for life.
all the chapters.
Everything that makes us who we are. We thank God. We thank everyone.
Come, John. Yes.
Woo! Okay, now I gotta go finish my hair. This is my first right here in St. Croix, and this is my mom. And we're having a dinner.
Just got my drink.
I'm getting the same one as the blue ice cream. So this is my granddad. Daddy. He's busy talking. And then Giovanni. My auntie.
Hi, Ashara.
Hi. How you doing, Juwan?
Jawan.
Hi. Jaden. Oh, come on, Jaden. This is our first night just eating. And yeah, we're gonna go to the beach tomorrow.
We are at the Blue Water Terrace. We came to the all-you-can-eat
But you know, I got just some appetizers, but I'm not that hungry. Alright, so we'll see you in a little bit. He's going to his graduation practice. Alright, love you. See you later. Sitting with me and my mom are gonna have a girls' day. We're gonna get our nails done. And what else?
I want to go to tent because my son.
Well, look at that, so pretty.
Look at that ocean, nice view. Over there is GMANJI. That's one of the rum factories on St. Croix. Yeah. Right over here is where we have the
Okay, so we are gonna go and get a plate of food. My mommy just got her new phone. Show them your new phone. What is this? She got the XR. I'm gonna stick to my 8 Plus. And so we're going to, what's this restaurant called?
Well, we're going to the nail place.
Oh, this nail place.
So right now we're going to see where we are in line.
Okay.
And then we're going to go across the street and we're going to order some food.
Okay, heard. She always wanna be like me. Picking her color. Yeah, that's my mommy. That's my mommy. Ooh, yeah. Then the rice and the mac and cheese. Yeah. Can we have plastic silverware, please? Plastic silverware, please. Thank you. Oh, it's like that one.
Sorry.
Chicken. And it's like garlic bread bites with the soup.
My God. I can't even talk.
Yep.
I can't even talk.
And then we still have to go to the beach, and we're gonna eat when we get to the beach also. We had.
Then you know how good we are.
Mommy, look, OMG.
And I forgot. Well, I can't get to the pit of my stomach. That's how hungry I was. Remember I didn't eat all yesterday.
Wait. We're about to go to the beach. We're about to go to the beach, and look how beautiful it is outside.
That's why I leave this.
Look at all those beautiful flowers.
That's why I leave it for you.
You leave this for me?
Yeah.
Okay, she's here. It's time to go, everybody. So this is my first time driving on a what's this called? Driving on the left side. It's not that different. I can't put this down. Okay. We're finally here at the beach. Mommy, say hi. Hello. And Giovanni.
My name. What's my name?
GMANJI.
Oh, thank you.
Look at the beautiful water. We're finna go there. We're gonna go get a drink first at this island thing. Stop. All right. That's not funny.
Food?
photos before we get, you know, so order me whatever you get, but make sure it's strong. Get it back at the house, and we're about to play Uno and Family Feud. Don't nobody got dominoes? No. Okay. When you do a +4, it's just a +4. You cannot put down.
No, he's the start. He's the start. Start. Explain.
Explain. So you can put a +2 on a +4.
Yeah.
Can you put a reverse on a skip? No.
But that's a difference.
It's different.
A +4.
It's different. This is different.
But it's the same thing, Ashara. He's buckled.
I'm breaking the laws of Uno.
Okay, your turn. We're here at GMANJI's graduation. He's not here yet. This is my fit. I didn't show my outfit yesterday. So I'm here with the 2019 graduate, the effervescent class of 2019. So we're having a beer. Oh, beer. Yeah, you almost see how that looks. So we just came from the graduation. We're about to eat some Wendy's, and then we're gonna just do a couple errands. So I'll bring you guys with us, and then we're having dinner at where? What's the dinner?
Rum runners.
Rum runners. So we're gonna show y'all what we get when we get there. But this is what I got. Let me show y'all what I got. So I got a 4 for $5.75. I gotta tell the story. Here in St. Croix, VI, they have US. I don't know why that's important.
It's very important.
Okay. They don't have a 4 for $4. They have a 4 for $5.75. They couldn't even make it rhyme. But anyways, you get a Frosty, a drink. You have to pick a sandwich or nuggets. You can't get a sandwich and nuggets, and then you get the fries. So they replaced the Frosty with the chicken nuggets. I mean, you know, but okay. So we just got to the nail shop. Giovanni's getting his nails done. Why are you always on the phone? What, you always on the phone?
It's my phone, right?
Hey, sis. So I just got a manicure. I just got my nails cut. I didn't get any nails done. Show me your nails. She got pure white and shake pure white to match her toes. Our toes that we got yesterday.
Her do my toes over. She did this one, but
So he's dyeing his hair. Let me see the back.
Giovanni, can I come into my over?
Yeah, that's good. Go ahead and rinse that out.
You telling me or you asking me?
Yeah, so that's good. Go ahead and rinse that out.
Oh, you asking me, okay.
I'm not telling you.
And we still playing Uno.
Go and get a The light brown, not the blonde.
He's gonna put the brown in. So he's dyeing his hair blonde, and he's
Oh,
gonna
your
put
footsteps.
brown in. Look, and he's still playing the game.
Oh.
All right, you ready to lose?
Come on.
Okay, turn around. Okay. Oh, let me see the back. Okay, today's the last day that I'm gonna be here in St. Croix. I'm leaving tomorrow. So I wanted to just show all the pictures that they have in the house. Oh my god, this is me. Oh, lights right there. That's me. Back here is me. Ow. All these bugs. Oh. That's me and my mom. This is the noise that I woke up to this morning. Tell me what kind of rooster makes this kind of noise. What kind of noise is that? Like, come on, that's what I woke up to. It's not even a regular cock-a-doodle-doo. Cock-a-doodle-doo. My little brother is driving me to the airport, and look at this beautiful scenery.
It's gonna get a little loud.
That's fine. Look at the cars on the opposite side. So we're driving on the left, and they drive on the right. Push it, push it, push it. So you can enjoy what you got when you get it. Amen.
Hallelujah.
Come on now.
Praise the Lord.
Do not ever doubt your God. Our God. Oh my God. Come on. I'm back at it again by the grace of God.
Been a long time coming, it's the come up. Been a long damn time, it's the come up.